Hi, I'm Kristen Sanchez. It's Tuesday, December 22nd, and here are the 6 things to know. Today, people lined up for hours this morning just to get their hands on a gift card as the city of Miami is set to give out another round, and it's all to help families in need, especially because of the pandemic. We're talking about hundreds of families lining up to be able to pick up groceries at several locations throughout the area at Jose Marti Park. It began at 8 a.m. Miami City Commissioners have voted unanimously to expand the COVID-19 relief program because of demand. The last gift card distribution, that will be at the West End Park on December 29th. Holy Cross Hospital has opened up its extra doses of vaccines to qualifying healthcare workers outside its own system. Frontline workers like firefighters and those working in private practices have mostly been unable to get vaccinated. And NBC6 has reached out to several local hospitals, and so far, only Holy Cross is the hospital to find where they're giving out those vaccines to qualifying healthcare workers outside its own system. And starting today, the health department will begin giving out vaccines to firefighters at a park in Lauderhill. Well, Congress has officially passed a $900 billion COVID-19 relief package. It will provide long-awaited assistance to Americans, small businesses, and industries ailing during the pandemic. The bill now goes to the White House for President Trump's signature to become law. Americans could see new stimulus checks as early as next week. Well, roughly $32 billion in federal loans were given out to small businesses in Florida during the pandemic. But NBC6 Responds found a chunk of that money went to nonprofits and religious organizations that didn't qualify for these types of loans previously. So to hear why these organizations say they deserve the help, go to NBC6.com. And the state of Florida and Miami-Dade County, they're launching a $20 million protection and preservation project for Biscayne Bay. The first projects will include updates to prevent sewer overflows in Biscayne Bay, and officials will be tracking progress with an annual report card.
And we woke up to a chilly change this morning. Temperatures into the 50s for our early morning lows, low 60s for a couple of spots. But overall, you definitely notice the difference in temperatures this morning. But how about later today? Well, highs landing into the mid 70s. So a cool start leads to a nice afternoon. Bright skies across the area as well. And of course, the holidays coming up. I know we have outdoor plans, so here's what you need to know. Warm conditions by Thursday. We're back to those low 80s ahead of a front that works through, bringing us a couple of chances of rain and even some gusty winds possibly. By later into the evening hours, we'll start to see that front working in, and then we wake up on Friday morning, Christmas morning, into the mid 50s. Highs only into those mid 60s for Christmas Day plans, and then even chillier by Saturday morning. Mild conditions as we round out this upcoming weekend.
Angie, the weather looks perfect. Those are your 6 things that you need to know for today. You can always follow all these stories and get a check on the forecast on the NBC6 app. And remember that you can watch NBC6 on our app, Roku, Apple TV, and YouTube.